Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're staring at that frustrating U11 error code on your Panasonic washing machine, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll dive into what this error means, why it happens, and the straightforward steps to fix it, all updated for 2025 models. Let's get started. First off, what exactly is the U11 error? It typically signals a problem with the water inlet system. Your machine isn't getting the water it needs to fill up properly, which can halt your wash cycle and leave you with a pile of dirty clothes. This error is common in Panasonic models and is often linked to issues like low water pressure or blockages. Now, let's talk about the causes. The U11 error can stem from a few key problems. One major culprit is a faulty inlet valve that might be clogged or worn out. Another is kinked or blocked water hoses, which prevent water from flowing freely. Sometimes, it's as simple as a turned-off water supply or low pressure from your home's plumbing. In rarer cases, it could indicate a sensor malfunction or even electrical issues within the machine. Alright, time for the solutions. Let's fix this step by step. Start by checking your water supply. Ensure the faucet connected to your washing machine is fully open and that there's good water pressure. Next, inspect the inlet hoses for any kinks, bends, or blockages. Straighten them out or replace them if they're damaged. If that doesn't work, try resetting your machine, unplug it for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and run a test cycle. If the error persists, you might need to clean or replace the inlet valve. This involves turning off the water supply, disconnecting the hoses, and accessing the valve, which is usually at the back of the machine. For 2025 models, Panasonic has made this easier with user-friendly access panels, but if you're not comfortable, call a professional technician. There you have it. Simple steps to banish that U11 error and get your washing machine back in action. Remember, always prioritize safety and double-check your work. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing.